That's been on there 20 years.
Not on there anymore.
So we're putting 1-ton Chevy steering on the Jeep. And I may have already had 1-ton Chevy steering on it.
No, they just have the same paper.
Okay.
But the tie rod didn't, or the drag link didn't.
This one's definitely going to have to be done. Question. Should we yoink that and trade it for this one?
I would.
And see if we can get better, a little better angle on everything. We may have to change this track bar.
Why for?
Because we might be changing the angle of, if we change the angle of the drag link, we need to match the track bar to it, the panhard.
You're really not changing it though.
Well, the pivot's here, and now we're changing the pivot to down here. But we're gonna see.
Is this the part where you guys are like, do it my way? No, do it my way.
Where's my chair?
This is one of those times.
Where's that marker you keep losing, Paul? That's been on there 20 years.
Not on there anymore.
Is that how old this is? Is 20 years?
The Jeep's 20
Yeah.
years old. But some of the parts on the Jeep are older than 20 years.
Like your Dana 60?
Yeah, I'm changing that axle. Everybody who's worried that I'm going to work that thing with all the problems that I had with the ring gear coming off, don't worry, I got a spare. It's getting built right now with deeper gears. Well, there's about 20 bucks.
Yeah, they don't give that stuff away.
Okay, it's just kind
Looks
of...
to be longer. Bye. Are you right on it?
I am right on.
I'm a quarter out.
Okay, so we've got that in the
easy.
adjustment, and it gets stronger.
Yep, as it goes in. I got way excited earlier.
Put the welder up.
And put it up.
So, I'm just going to let you do that. I feel like this drill bit has been subject to abuse. Would you care to comment, Paul?
I'm sure it's bent.
Yeah, it's bent. Well, I'm giving it more of what it's used to. So what I'm doing here, we got quite a bit to ream out to make this tie rod end fit in here, and I'm saving myself a whole bunch of time reaming by drilling this out to the minimum size. Not saving myself any work, but I might be saving myself some time. Ta-da!
Dunzo.
Something's burning. I can smell that.
It's just this rag. You're dang close. Other than you reamed it backwards.
Not backwards.
Just kidding.
Yeah, you made him think about it for a second though.
So this morning we left the house so fast, and we had a job. We did an off-road recovery, and it kind of messed us all up. And we forgot to bring the parts that we were supposed to bring. So I called my nephew Tim.
Tim, to the rescue.
I have parts.
Gotta go
And
this way
is
though.
2 hours. A 2-hour one way for Tim.
Well, you want a hamburger while you're here?
Is that already made?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to trade some of these. We gotta swap these. Oh, this one comes off, and that one goes on. Okay?
Where's a clean spot I can stick these stickers on?
Take them.
No, that's horsepower. You need them.
Let's go set this thing back together.
Jamie's taking over Papa Dar's spot.
It's, here's your stuff. No, that's not it.
Nope, I was just using it.
Jamie, Matt lost stuff and you don't know where it's at.
Okay, hang on. Can we get that drag link? Let's get that drag link.
Is that a new helmet?
Oh yeah.
Says Lincoln on the back?
It's freaking awesome.
Oh,
dude.
man.
But the arc in it is not like the normal green ugly color. It's
Yeah.
like you're looking at LED. It's blue
Oh,
when
sweet.
you're welding. And then I got a 1.25 cheater lens to go in it, so if Matt needs to weld anything up.
He can have that zoom.
Yeah. What did you do with that anti-seize? Did you put it back? Did you put it back? Here, let me hit that. Look at it.
5 minutes into that and you look like the Tin Man.
Yeah.
We doing ball joints?
We're gonna have to.
Okay.
Should we take this off?
That's what I was wondering. We can mock this all up. Leave that on. We'll mock this up and get it welded so it can be cooled off. For brand new threads, these things suck.
Yeah, I had the same problem. Steering wheel locked straight.
That little line was in there.
Oh, for the left threads?
Yep. Then I figured it out. I was like, look at these. All these ones that are left-handed have that little line in it. Tells you that it's left-handed. So you can align this thing later.
Yeah. So see that this one's smooth? That one's got a line on it that Paul's wiping off with the wrench. So these look identical. You can look at the threads and figure it out that one's left and one's right, but you just look at these. So there's a little nick in each one of these on this nut. That tells you it's a left-handed thread. So on this one it's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. This one's pretty good. Did you tighten it up too?
Yeah. You want one of these measuring utensils?
Yeah. What's wrong with this thing? What have I done wrong?
Did you break it already? The clutches are getting wore out. I gotta send it in.
Get that warranty.
Yep. I don't want to get all greasy. Let's sign up for this today.
Uh-oh. I heard some grumbling. What's your hourly shop rate anyway?
I'll tell you when we get done. Okay, pull that. Are you gonna leak oil?
No.
I don't think so. We're doing preventative maintenance, so Matt doesn't break down and I don't have to go recover him.
I see a FAB rat recovery in the future here.
Me too. I gotta build some stuff first.
We need a flatbed.
We need a
We
rollback
need a rollback.
and we need a hook truck. And we're gonna have both of them.
Oh man. Well, I like those kingpins a lot better.
Kingpins are, yeah, they're way better.
Wow, it's nice to have a four-wheel drive guy. It just knows everything. Like,
There you go.
work on it with this, work on it with that. Don't push it hard enough to... I think this one's kind of been hammered with a couple of busted joints.
Yeah, it'll actually wipe them out sometimes. I had one wipe that whole bolt and everything right off there when I broke an axle once.
Yeah?
And then my ball joint fell off and then my entire tire fell off. And then we had to like weld a bolt in it and everything to get home. It was
Just to hold it together.
so we could get home.
I don't remember his name. Do you remember his name? This side's good.
Okay.
That
That
side's
side.
never been packed.
Okay, we'll do it then.
Oh,
Yep. Okay, go for it. You're about to win, my friend. Hey, let me see if I can get it again. Let me see it. Had to do this so many times on Napa ball joints.
Always.
Well, they make the lock on the nut so bad that it just wipes the threads out. If you try to take it back off of there, it's junk. You're winning. Hey, so are they doing derby this year? That was the issue I had. There you go. I think it's... Now we can adjust.
okay, Paul, just take a break for a second. I'm gonna put this back together.
He wants to stop the time.
Yeah.
Stop the bill.
Hey, clock out.
I'll eat a piece of licorice.
What'd you do with that Allen wrench?
Davey, where's the Allen wrench?
Found it.
Thought you were a guy that actually had a truck. Son of a...
looks better.
Looks more like it's supposed to anyway. Alright. That's that.
Oh no. Almost spilled all the
Can't
dew.
even believe that.
Almost spilled all the dew. Dew down.
That is a shop foul.
At least there's enough oil on the table, it just runs off.
Oh, that all about.
It was bound up on that. I had it underneath of that thing. Oh, funny angle. 9/16 on. I don't know where that somewhere is. Oh, it's there.
Found it.
Jamie's not doing her job again.
Sorry.
She's supposed to watch us so she knows where we set stuff down at.
She's doing a great job over there.
Looking at my phone, did a great job.
Throw the hub on it. Tighten it.
Okay.
Anti-sleaze.
Everywhere. You open a can and all of a sudden you're the Tin Man.
What do you put on it?
We picked the right muffler. It's a 40 series Delta Flow.
Oh.
So it's the
Nice.
quietest.
So when you're cruising down the road, you can probably talk to the person that's next to you. Still won't turn?
Hitting that.
Hitting what? That greaser?
It's hitting that. I gotta pull it out. This one's already greased. I'm gonna put the plug in.
Wow. Makes me feel happy inside that I'm not the only one that this stuff happens to. You get thinking, you get feeling down on yourself, like nothing ever worked for me, and then you're around someone else like,
I know. I love
sucks for them too. That's great.
I feel like a terrible person when I'm like, man, this isn't working out for Paul, and that makes me happy. So yeah, see this? That's hitting that greaser right there. So we got to take it out. So I already greased this side. I'm just gonna take it out, hopefully.
Turns way better without it hitting.
Yeah, it seems to.
Is your front a posi?
Yeah, it's a Detroit.
Oh, it's actually got a real live locker.
Real
The real deal.
real deal. Well, I hope it likes its grease because that's all it's getting in its lifetime. Good enough. We're out of grease. Oh, we got one.
That's all we needed.
We're done anyway.
Hey, look, you got the grease circuit out too. That's a win-win right there. Okay, you put your other one back in there.
The plug, yep. I'm gonna put the plug in.
You plug it, and I'm gonna take your back tires off.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all kinds of new stuff under here. Just just trying to get this
Joint.
angle
Yeah.
more in line with what it should be.
Yeah, we.
And all new ball joints and heavy duty tire rods. And it'd be more likely to pass a inspection right now.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Okay,
Okay, you got this?
she's built, man.
Okay.
So we got his 1-ton stuff all put in, welded up, adjusted. Seems to steer good. I think it's done.
Plus ball joints.
Oh yeah, plus the ball joints.
Repack the bearings.
We didn't plan on any of that. That was just stuff that was bad when we got there.
So here's all the old links we took out of the rear suspension and the old front tie rods. So this is how this has been running for like 7 years. I built that and stuck that in there. That's how my steering's been working. So 7 years of hard labor. It finally quit, or it didn't quit. It finally got replaced. Closing on the links. Well, it doesn't work. Oh, it works. We've got some. Okay.
Yeah, the rear suspension looked good.
Yeah, it had some binding problems, and it's going to get a complete redesign. We've got some tougher links now.
The rear end's got problems. We know that. It's got ring gear problems. You've seen that on Matt's channel.
Yeah.
So he's putting a different rear end under it. So this was a Band-Aid, and we thought it was going to be a better one than this, but it'll work for a while.
It'll work as long as this axle's in here. I'm thinking about redoing it and doing a 4-link, a triangulated 4-link. At the very least, I'm going to do a 3-link. But anyway.
It is what it is for today. It's getting late. It's been a long day. So we're done.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I need to take some thumbnail pictures, Matt. I need your face like, oh.
How about me and Paul really close together?
Yes, yes. That would work.
Wow. He's enthusiastic when he's tired.
Give me an excited face.
Way beyond funny.
You don't have to move though. I'm taking a picture. Just hold still. There you go.